So I just made $127 today just doing nothing. So if you want to know how I did it, then kindly stick around. Alright, I'll just show you that in a minute. So what's popping and welcome back to First Hand FX Hobo Blues, another video guys. And today I'm so excited. I want to show you how I made $127 yesterday just doing nothing. Alright, so I was just seated and then the money was just doing something called working for me. So the money was working for me yesterday. Alright, I was just patient sitting as the money worked for me. Alright, so I'll just show you that in a minute. So if this is the first time you're watching this channel guys, kindly stick around. Maybe if you came across this video for the first time, stick around. Maybe after watching it till the end, if you learn something out of it guys, you might consider smashing that subscribe button, and I will highly appreciate. Alright, so before we get into the computer guys, I want to say that these are the same trades that I did analyze before the beginning of this week. That was on a Saturday. This Saturday guys, I gave out those analysis and uploaded them on my YouTube channel guys. You can check that video, the previous video before this one guys. They were the same trades that I did analyze, and I told you what to do when you see the same setups I've already played out guys. And the week has not even ended guys, but already the trades have already hit take profit gang, which is crazy and amazing. So guys, let's head over to the computer and maybe show you what happened. Alright guys.
Yo, what's popping gang? Alright, so we're still up on this joint. Alright, almost hitting that take profit, but then if I see $100 I'll call it a day. Okay? Yo, what's popping gang? So I just closed my trades. Actually I added a position on NZD card. I was supposed to hold on that, but then I just decided to close because yesterday I took some loss. Again, these are the same trades that I did analyze before the week started gang, and see the way they are skyrocketing man, skyrocketing. So let me just show you my history. Here we go. So today just this morning it's 10:27 a.m. I just made $111 gang. Yesterday, let me just show you what happened. Let me customize that today from yesterday. Here we go baby. So total I just made $127. Right, so here we go. I did take a loss on GBP yen, that was $30 loss, and Aussie also $55. So it doesn't matter even if I did take a loss $30 and $45, you can see I've just made total $127.90. So easy gang. yo. Alright gang, so I'll keep on updating you again.
Alright gang, so welcome back to the computer guys. So crazy man. Alright, so let's just go over to those trades that I gave out before the week started. That was on a Saturday guys. This is crazy. So if you did watch that video guys, I believe right now you are really booming. Look at this. The first take profit was smashed. Now the price is going to hit the second take profit. This is GBP NZD. It's up 237 pips. We are going for 271 guys. I don't know gang. I did give out these trades gang. It was so easy analysis. I don't know if I should still go over the analysis. I don't know, but because of the love that you guys have been showing me, let me just delete everything and start the analysis once again. Same thing, same strategy. We have the first touch passing through the second touch and then the third touch guys. Look at that. First touch over here, then the second touch, then the third one, meaning this joint is somewhat strong. Alright, and if you see clearly, we have a reversal pattern, a double bottom. And if you zoom in nicely once again, we still have another bottom with inside the double bottom. Look at this crazy thing guys. First bottom went for neckline, then the second bottom. Now we was anticipating that price should go up. So crazy, right? Then remember, of course, our first that's our first conference. All right, but already we are having two confluence with those. Actually there are three confluence. We have the trend line, that is our support. We have a reversal pattern, that's that double bottom, which is the second confluence, and also another double bottom inside the double bottom, and that's another third confluence. All right. So now when you go to the 15 minutes, this had not happened. Of course, let me just show you that this movement before that movement happened, guys. I'm not making this, and if you don't believe, you can go and watch that video. I'm going to leave the video link also after this. So this was what's up. You need to identify what the lower time frame is doing, guys. All right. So at the lower time frame, we saw that was what's up, with that price was still in an uptrend. So what you need to identify the previous high, the immediate high of that lower high. All right, and which was this joint over here. That was the immediate high. So all you needed to do was just to go back to the 1 hour time frame and wait for a bullish candlestick to close above that joint. I don't know what's up. Actually, that was up. Is it? Yeah, let me just undo that. Immediate candlestick, guys. I don't know what's up. Take your buy entry with this candlestick after this bullish candlestick closes above this resistance. That is when you take a shot. That's I don't know, the fourth or the fifth confluence. Make your stop loss below this joint. Target all the way up. Now to the hourly time frame. Target all the way up. The previous high. This was the previous high. Target all the way up. You can see now that's what's up. Price is really up. All right. And then if you wanted to do something called scaling in, this is what's up. Of course, if you want to, I'm going to show you the results again. If you want to scale in, you just have to identify what price is also doing. Continuation pattern is what's up. All right. Wait for price to break out from this continuation pattern with a bullish candlestick. This candlestick over here again. I don't know why you guys can't just open your eyes. Let the market communicate to you. Make your entry there. Stop loss below that joint. Target all the way up. Now this is your second position. All right. If you did that, the second position, you should be up. Let me see. Actually, price went up to 104 pips. So 104 pips. If you did take your first entry over here, look at this. It's so crazy. That is over 300 pips, or almost 400 pips. That is just doing nothing. All right, doing nothing. I did give out this analysis, gang. So if you watched that video, I believe you did take that trade. I believe you did take that trade. All right. I believe you smashed. We have another Euro NZD smashed, take profit, and then went all the way up. Gang, remember today's Tuesday, guys. I gave out this analysis on Saturday. Then the take profit was smashed on Monday yesterday. Crazy. Look at this. Euro NZD and GBP NZD were just forming the same pattern. Look at this. If you have noticed, guys, that Euro NZD is the same trade that I've analyzed from last week, leave alone the week that just started. I mean the Saturday. We have another week that I did give out analysis too. I also gave out this analysis, and this is the second time I'm smashing this joint. Look at this. So 190 pips smashed, but then price is still targeting this high. Let me just show you guys. Guys, if you don't believe this, you need to watch that video. I should leave out the link of that previous video for you guys to just believe what I'm talking about before everything happened. And I'm also going to show you my account, right? How it played out. For transparency, I'm not just making these things up. Same analysis. I don't know if I should also do this analysis, but the same things, gang. The same things. All right. After that, USD card, I was anticipating for a buy. Price has not yet. Of course, price has pulled back to the 61 zone that I also talked about on that same video. Look at this. But I did not take that entry. Of course, I was supposed to take that entry over here. All right. So if I did take that entry, probably I should have been up. Let me see. 33 p. But then there's something. There's a reason why I'm not taking that entry. All right. There's a reason why I'm not taking that entry. Price was not giving me clear structures at the lower time frame. All right. Look at that. Price was not giving me any reversal pattern. I don't know if you guys can see that, then well and good, but according to me, I've not seen that a reversal pattern for me to take a buy. So that's why I'm still hesitant on that. Aussie JPY, I did some scalping. Alright, I did some scalping. Look at that. Look at this. I did some scalping. Some 30 pips, reached 28 pips and then smash 30 pips. Look at that. Should I explain? Let me just explain that. Same stupid strategy that I've been talking about. Of course, generally we was in a downtrend. Of course, I can see let me just show you something, guys. You need to understand the market structures, but then the reason I will also tell you the reason why I scalped this. I was not holding this. If you look at this, generally this is a flag pattern. That's another continuation pattern. Okay, so I'm still anticipating that price will still go all the way up and break this joint. All right, that's why I was not going to hold on to this, so I just scalped that. The reason why I did scalp was this: there was something called a retracement zone. All right, look at this. Price broke out from this joint. Let me just show you. Price broke out from this support like this, then went down. So now that's a flip zone. This zone was a flip zone. This is a flip zone that I believe that price will still go, then try to go down. Then I saw something different, a double top. Look at that. Of course, this was a downtrend. Price broke that. If you can see, lower high, lower low, lower high, blah blah blah. Then price broke out from that. Price went to that flip zone. That's a resistance. Bounced off that joint, came down, went up to retest, then bounced off. That showed me that okay, this flip zone somehow was quite strong. So I had to monitor and see what price was doing. Going to the lower time frame, price was showing me some structure. So I had to wait for price to break out from that uptrend on that 15 minutes, guys. Look at this. 15 minutes, we were still giving higher, low, higher. But then I had to wait for price to break out from that joint. Then break also the previous higher low to show me okay, now this joint is done. The uptrend is done. So I just had to take that. All right, let me just remove this also. Look at this, game. Look at this. There were so many things that somebody had to see. Like, market always show you what to do. We also have a certain pattern over here, if you can see, triangle. All right, so that is where price was playing. So I was just waiting for price to break out of this joint, out of this triangle, because of course I had missed this breakout from the 1 hour. So I went to the 15 and saw price was giving me something. That's when I did take that sell entry. Smashed. Price did not even hesitate. Smashed. That is how man, I'm tired of giving you these things, guys. I don't know if you guys are really putting them into practice. I really can't understand. I'm also in another trade, NZD card. I've taken that analysis from the daily. From the daily. Now that is the first conference. All right, now give me that, baby. Look at this. Actually, this NZD card, before we went up, I did analyze that and we smashed 257 pips. Guys, if you follow that previous video, I mean the previous weekend, I analyzed also NZD card before price went up. Right, so though I did not give out the analysis this weekend, the Saturday that just ended, I did not give out any analysis, but then I saw this NZD card yesterday. I went to the daily, then I saw something. We had first touch, second touch, now price came back to the third touch. Then there was something, rejection. So all I just had to do was just wait and see what price is trying to tell me. Right? Basically, I can still see price is still in an uptrend, right? Of course, in an uptrend, but then price has broken some structures at the lower time frame. Let me just show you this zone over here. This joint over here, that was an uptrend, but then it was broken in the lower time frame. Let me go back to the 15. The 15. Yeah, the 15. Let's go, baby. Give me that. Look at this. Okay. So now this is what's up. At the 15, we was in an uptrend. Look at this. But then price broke that joint. After price breaking it, I did not take that sell entry immediately. I waited for price to break out. But after price breaking out, it was in the morning. Price broke out at night when I was asleep, so I did not take that entry. So I just had to wait for price to give me clear structures once again and see, okay, if this break was really false or we was to go down. I saw this. Boom. Boom. Look at this pattern that price is trying to give us, gang. So all I just had to wait is for price, gang, to break out of these structures. Not only breaking, but also breaking out from the immediate higher low over here with an hourly bullish candlestick. That is what I've just done. Look at that. Look at that. So crazy. Look at this. Oh, come on. That's a Fibonacci tool. Sorry, gang. The candlestick. So amazing. Alright. So that is what I'm just doing. So that's the only trade I'm currently holding. NZD card. So I'm just going to hold on to that. So for now, I know I've already identified some zones that price might try to bounce off from. Let me just draw that. Don't want that. I don't need it. Then use this joint. Okay. Oh, and you can see already price has already started bouncing off that zone. But there's no problem. I still believe we're still we are still in the right. So what will happen is I still have to respect the general direction, high, 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 low, high, high. So now I believe price is also coming to retest this joint over here. Okay, so this is the joint that price is trying to go and retest. So now what I'm going to do is this. I want to see price break out from this joint. I want price to break out from that region like this. Let me just see. So I need price to break out like that, and then at the lower time frame I want to expect higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs to be formed like that. Alright, that's a correction. And then let me draw something too. Right, so I need something like this. Okay, sorry for my drawing game. Something like that. Then after price breaks out, maybe break out the previous low like that, and again I'm going to scale in like that. Stop loss above that correction joint like that. Then now target all the way down now. Cool. That's what's up. That's how we're gonna do it. Right, so for now that's what's up. That's the only trade I'm currently in. NZD card. All my positions are closed with profit. So basically, actually I did take 200 and something yesterday, but then there are some trades that I did close. I did make mistakes entering, so I closed them. Aussie, USD, and GBPN. I did close them with a loss, so I lost $80, no problem. But then I'm still up 127, right? So I'm just going to show you that also in a minute. Alright, so guys, if this is the first time, alright, come on. Alright, so I believe this is the end, guys. So this is the end. If you feel like you've learned something out of this lesson or out of this talk, guys, I believe you might consider smashing that subscribe button. You've seen, guys, you've really seen how we late, guys. Alright, so do not make your forex journey or your trading journey complicated. Just stick around this channel and watch we win, and watch yourself improve and win. Alright, just smash that subscribe button, and also smash that like button for YouTube algorithm, also to share with other people for them to also get the same late content. Alright, so until next time, gang, adios amigos, peace.